así de grueso. Cada día son mejores. Sí. O sea, yo no lo pararía. O sea, está. Más o menos todos eran parecidos.
This is yours. Not this one. Some of them are
¿Quién no?
here.
Oh, you're wearing it.
Todos tienen ese. Pero yo grabé el tiempo, aunque sea.
Sí, sí, sí. 46. Like so.
Oh,
And these are?
Here you have the
not completely.
So there are the pieces for sale, which are already like getting sold, and two people, two customers.
Wow. Okay, so you guys make like a formal presentation? Danny, could you the time?
Oh, we put everything.
So who's in this project?
Oh, before.
You four, okay.
Yours, right?
And we have a presenter soon.
Okay, should we start?
Yeah.
Good. It's called wood, right? Wood? Wudu?
Okay, how are you?
Here is this one.
I'm gonna be recording this so you can watch it afterwards.
With that one, maybe you should, I don't know.
Pero son y 20 ya, ¿no?
We need to start.
The video where is this?
Can someone start first? Should we just like save it again?
I don't know who had
Your
your
from
laptop.
your laptop.
But everyone can open it. Why?
No, but it's damaged. Like maybe if we open
Yeah.
So,
like
voy a
a
hacer
preview from the
10
If
minutos.
we have this, then we have this. It's always looks like.
So we will be starting like 5:30. Okay, so everybody has that time.
Can you make it if they go like first time?
Más y falta.
5:30.
No, you.
Son y 23.
Okay, well,
So it's 10 minutes now because that took 10 minutes. So we have to take them from somewhere.
okay, start.
Let's start, okay? So this is our brand, which is called Voodoo. It already refers that we speak about wood, something connecting to wood. And our first sentence is that we want to create a new solution for design. And I don't know if you ever get aware of this, but Barcelona is full with unused material, at least on our opinion of a designer. If you go on the street and you see everywhere just waste on this, like waste and furnitures, paper, like a lot of material which could be used still. So we got inspired by this, and we decided to make so give a new life for all this material and make something beautiful out of it.
Yeah, well, that's why we came with this concept that is about the cycle of life for our 4 steps. It would be like the we do separate it for burning, like growing, then use it and then reuse it. And we apply that concept to our jewelry pieces.
So these are the pieces itself, so we decided to make a little bit wider range of accessories. Bow tie for men, not only for women. We make things, and choker, necklace and earrings, and at the end we added rings as well, so it's like a wider range of products.
Well, we have this process. we have this process journey. For developing a new product, we have to do some research. Then we begin with the concept. For that research, should we just show the video?
I think we show
Okay,
this
later.
attachment in the end if you have time.
And then after that, we have this design and developing process for product. We especially have some developing in wood and some research too. The production and manufacturing, we were thinking about using the laser cuts for that, and also we work for the branding and the marketing of the.
And at the end, we arrive to the brand itself.
Yeah.
So. This is that. But it's common in us four that we are expats or students living in Barcelona. So when we were starting to get our first inspiration, we started to focus on Barcelona, which is our connection point. And actually Barcelona has so many beautiful things, so it was really easy to get inspired.
For the process, it was really interesting that we have 4 different approaches from different countries. So we decided that the first, the collection will be Barcelona, and we focused it in this urban architecture and some art pieces from Barcelona.
And those are our first sketches. Where you find all the Barcelona design. We try to make some earrings or rings and all this stuff.
We have some patterns and we focus on that.
Yeah.
Then our first production day,
With the laser cut.
the laser cuts, the first mistakes, and here we already could get some consequences which are more practical, and here theory stopped and we started to really work on it. Which are the mistakes in the design itself that we should correct, because it's too not durable enough, it's breaking. We should change some things in the basic concept maybe because it's not fitting what we found out. So that was a really useful time for learning, and I think we all 4 get a really good experience.
Yes, and some of that pattern is we have to use some kind of specific materials. That's why we have some kind of material that we use from the acrylic and also the wood, which is a different thickness of them to
For
make it
prototyping.
Just
Yeah.
for prototyping.
Also, it was really nice to see that we also look for searching and saving some parts of the wood.
Yeah.
Also, we make for example 2 to 3 different kind of pieces. If someone went wrong or some of the pieces break, you have a different piece. So for that we have also to calculate the pricing also for that and the materials that we have to use. So for that process we have to think it and rethink it about it before doing that. So it takes us a lot of time to get to this part of
And that was a really not funny thing, but what gave us a lot of practical knowledge, I guess, was about time management and to be aware unexpected situations, because we wanted to go to the laser cut, but then it was closed, they changed the system, we had to adapt ourselves for really situations that we didn't calculate before. So that was exactly the point that, to launch something, it's not easy, and we have to always have a plan B. So at least we learned it. Here, this one. It doesn't work. I don't know why, because the file, sorry.
Okay.
Can you do it again?
Anyway, for the final prototypes, you can take a look in here. Some of them are also finished.
Exactly. So here are also prototypes. We used acrylic for prototyping to get better results, and then we moved to the wood. Here, some of the bow ties are still in process, and most of the necklaces, the rings, and the earrings are ready, and they are getting sold already in the last weeks and exactly the day before yesterday. But we are going to talk about this. This might.
Oh, that's yours.
Why is it? Yeah.
What about this?
Yeah, these are the acrylic prototyping.
Okay.
So these are
this?
separated. this is also when we were talking about failures and unexpected situations. The laser cut, the system of the laser cut was changed just one day before we could get the appointment.
And also like the material, the thickness of the material is very important to do the laser cuts.
Yeah. So actually, on the day, it turned out that we have to change everything. We had to create new files. We were working there more or less 9 hours in the workshop because for an hour of work we had to spend that 9 hours, and to correct everything.